Now, I need to preface this with so many things, my friends. The reason I don't like to talk about skincare because it is so personal. 90% of what you're seeing here is genetics. But I do have a few favorite products and I'm going to show you how I use them. Everybody, like I said, I already feel, I honestly get nervous when I talk about skincare. Let me catch my breath. And the reason I get nervous is not everything is going to work for everyone. It's just super, super personal, but I get asked this constantly. So I'm even just going to show you my skincare going into my skin prep. It's actually not that wild. Well, it isn't to me. Again, personal. This could seem like so much. I'm scared. A few more things we need to go over. I will be 38 in a few months. I live in a super duper humid climate. My skin type is balanced to dry, and I have no fillers and no Botox. Not against it, just don't have it. So let's get into what I use. I don't have acne prone skin, but I really feel that this is such a great cleanser for my skin type, even balanced to dry. I really like that it's gentle enough to use just a little bit in the morning. And then even in the evenings, I'll use this. And I need to remember to put the little face sponge that I use with it. Or maybe I can just do a makeup removal too. I feel like that one I feel more comfortable with. But this has been the face wash. I've been using it 4 to 5 years. I will say Ben uses this too, and he has more sensitive acne prone skin, so it does work for both of us. I also need to remind you that I have very hard to compromise skin. My skin is not sensitive in any way, but as you can see, I'm always painting and doing stuff to my face. So that is just something to keep in mind. I feel if you have sensitive skin, this does work for Ben, but again, I'm scared to say that it's gonna work for everybody. Oh, and I wanna make sure I label each one. I'll even put it in the caption if I can remember to. I bought this myself and I've been buying this myself for years. So the next product, also this, think of this as your toner. And I know a lot of us think toner, we think, especially if you're from my generation, the way to think of these now is they set the tone. This is a very thin serum and it kind of just gets your skin ready for everything else. I've been using this, bought this myself. I've been using this for so many years. I mean, this is something I just repurchased and I do see a major difference if I don't use it. I just feel like everything is way more balanced and even if I incorporate this. So face wash, then this. Now this was gifted to me, but I'm on my second bottle. I just started using this new bottle because they sent me one that was, I guess, confidential, and obviously it's released, or I'd be going to makeup gel right now, or skincare gel, maybe it's the same thing. But I have seen a major difference. I did a video where you see a couple months in between and you really can see a difference. So this is all I use. And now this is gonna be wild. I just use this underneath my eyes. Please don't be upset with me. I feel like y'all get mad at me with skincare. But I just use this. I just take it like right here and then I'm good to go. I don't even use an eye cream. I feel like eye creams are way too heavy for me, even where I'm at in my life, but maybe that's the humidity. I'm telling y'all, it's very humid where I live. And by the way, I already have these two on. So then the next step after these is, I love this sunscreen. This was sent to me, but I have purchased so many, I've been sent so many, and this one just stands out. Sunscreen is so personal. I know some of us want to wear more than SPF 30. I swear if I even show a sunscreen, people are now mad at me. I'm so sorry, but this is the one that works for me. It does not burn my eyes. I just really, really like it. It's really thin. It plays well with all types of makeup, powder, cream, liquid, all of it for me. But if you already have one, ignore me. And also forgive me. I'm so sorry I showed a sunscreen. Please don't yell at me. So I already have this on as well. So this is my first skincare routine. This is what I do after I wash my face. This is what is on my face when I come up to my makeup room, sit down. Now I'm gonna show you two things that I use for prep that go on top of sunscreen. Think of them as primers. I do it this way. I don't have issues with sunburn or anything of that nature, but I feel like this might feel wrong to some people, but we also put primer on top of what's already on our face, including our SPF. So however you feel you want to do it, this is just what works for me because I don't use a ton of what I'm about to show you. I just want to let you know that I'm absolutely stressed filming this. I don't know why, but negativity always follows my skincare routines and I just want to keep apologizing. I'm honestly sweating. I know that I've been doing this for a long time and I should just have a thick skin, but I don't. I cry very easily, and please be nice to me. This is a barrier essence. Again, it's a more with the essence, but this is more of a milky. I do literally that much. I don't have this on yet, so that's why I was gonna put it on. And then I just kind of press that on top. This is my skin prep, okay? Now we're moving into my primer. I don't use primer, I use this. And I never have issues with everything that I've showed you and how it layers. But I do want you to, I should show you a little bit of the texture of the other things. I'm gonna do that. This was sent to me, by the way. Yes, I said that about the SPF too. That was gifted. But I did buy a mini. I bought a mini of this on Amazon to go in my travel bag. Okay. You see how I just put it in my eyebrow? That's for the eyebrow tutorial. Get all that skincare out of your eyebrows. So I do that. And that's it. Honorable mention, this was sent to me, but sometimes I don't spray it right now, but in between the makeup, say that I get my concealer, foundation, everything on, right before I go to set my makeup, sometimes I'll spray this just to kind of get everything back at the same level of wet. I feel like makeup sets better that way, so this is in there. I don't spray it usually at the very, very end, but right before I set. And I really just recommend that for balanced to dry skin. One more thing, I sometimes have my cheeks flare up. I really see a difference in these. I really like how they fit perfectly on my cheeks. And sometimes I'll do this before SPF. I feel like I should have showed this, but I forgot. So just imagine I don't have SPF on, but it's not gonna hurt it, but it could dilute the SPF a little bit. So just wanna say that. But I am not going outside, plus it has not been sunny here in like a week. Which we should also wear our SPF, but just don't yell and just forgot a step. I love these, by the way. Love them very, very much. And these I actually bought myself. They had sent me some, I used them all. This is the batch that I bought. I will say that this would work for balanced to dry, even oily skin types, because everything I use, even for where I'm at, I love super thin serums. I was gonna show you this. I wanna just show you a little bit. I can put it on my chest. Do you see this? That is this. Look at how thin that is. But it's so wonderful for the skin. It's that perfect amount of hydration without just being super, super wet. Okay, then I want you to look at this. Okay, this is the 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 serum. So, so thin. And then even this SPF that I use, it's quite a bit of it, right? I know it's not enough. I'm just saying it's quite a bit for this area. It is just so thin. So everything that I use is very, very thin. And then of course this is too. One more time, skincare is very personal, but everything that I've showed so far is so thin, and I think this is the only one that's lightly scented. So I feel like they're even good for sensitive skin. But if you have extra oily skin, this is what I'm going to recommend. I don't use this all the time, but if you're looking for something for oil control, again, this is just so thin. This is probably one of the thinnest oil controls. Here, I'll just put it all over my hand and we'll let it dry and you'll see that difference. I love this, but sometimes I'll take it and I'll just like tap it through here. If I know I'm going to be outside for a long time where it's very fit for lizards, very humid, lizards and frogs, I'll just tap that on these areas. But let me let this dry and I'll show you how nice and mattifying it is. There you go. You can see that this side just doesn't look, but it still looks like skin, but you can see how shiny my other hand is compared to it. So I just feel like it's the perfect amount of mattifying under makeup to matte, and makeup just starts to go, what are you trying to introduce me to? I don't know if we can become friends, but that, it always lays beautifully over that. So if you have oily skin or combo skin, you will absolutely love this. And by the way, this was gifted to me. Face calmer's off, and then I just kind of tap that in lightly. Remember, we wanted to do that before SPF. There you go. If you could touch my face, this is also something I love telling everyone. How I like, when I used to do skin prep for clients many moons ago, I would want to, if they allowed, always ask your client if you can touch their face, but if they did, I would take the back of my hand and I would just do like this. And if I pulled away and I felt a little bit of grab, that's what I wanted. But I also didn't want the product to still be something I could feel on the back of my hand. So you want the pull, but you don't want to pull away with product on your hand. All right, my friends, that is my skincare routine. Just know that if you're going to be negative in my comments, you won't get blocked, no. But there will be tears on my screen. So just imagine that, tears dripping onto my phone. I know the internet is what I do now every day, but I'm still just not used to it. Skincare is so personal, and I know it can even sometimes be triggering. I apologize if this video made you feel any way, but just know that everything here is with love always. I love you. I mean that. I love you with all of my heart. Until the next video, bye for now.